I know you know what the problem is. I know you know what the problem is. I've been going off the top like every day. Don't need no pen and paper, I just need my favorite vape. And a blunt to just make sure it's lit. I know you know what the problem is, so just tell me. You gon' see hammer girl, cause you tryna nail me. If you a witch, just spell me. If you a witch, just spell me. New fragrance on my body, baby girl, just smell me. I got a new gun, that bitch to help me. It can shoot far, see I can see. Joining in her misery, her love is like a mystery. It's like a myth to me, so should I solve it? I knew that boss would get caught by the police, bitch, I caught it. Shooting like Spalding. We call drums, ball heads. Don't give a fuck about no old heads. Baby say we be mumbling, but listen, them back tumbling. This ain't even y'all generation, some of y'all need education. You old niggas just need to face it. We can't manage y'all replacement. She on my body, she smell the fragrance. Yeah, she on my body, she smell the fragrance. Can I be on somebody playlist? Just keep it real, not the fake list. No, not the fake list. Yeah. If the lip's fake, baby, you can keep it. I don't need it. You know I don't need it. Hey. But for Adriana, I'm feeling. She said that she miss me, do she mean it? I'm forever her nigga, you bitch that nigga ain't on shit. Hey. Your wigs with her. Hey. Adriana is mine. Hey. Don't want no other bitch, even that she's fine. Put her name under my eye to let you know she's mine. Forever in my eye, forever in my heart. I know there's a lot of girls on this planet. On this planet, we through a lot of pain, but they don't understand it like she does. I love her. I would never put no bitch above her. She used to be a dime, but I dubbed her. She's scared of meaning love because love hurts. Yeah, hurt. I'm a rock star and I'm hurt. 6 feet in dirt. Put my hand up in her shirt. I like that. If you ain't feeling love no more, hey, come with me out that door. Just lay on the floor. God will open doors. Yeah, God will open doors. He will open doors for us to walk through. I'm not going in without you. He opened the door for us to walk through, but I'm not going